Good morning, students. It's Mrs. Ollinger here. I just wanted to show you where the EOY prompt is within your American Lit course and where to submit it. Whether you are in my regular American Lit section or my Honors American Lit section, it is exactly the same placement. So I'm only going to show you the regular section because there's more students in that section. So you have a couple options. I usually click on content. Some students like to scroll down to class plan. Okay, it's right there. It's due officially on the 30th. Hopefully we can get it in by then. Or you can come up here and you can scroll all the way over to Unit 13. Okay, Unit 13 is entitled EOY Writing Semester Final because your EOY writing is the written portion of your semester final. Essentially, you're doing a portion of your final early. Scroll down a little bit, click on Assessment, and here it is. This is something that should only be open. Okay, you shouldn't be able to see this because that's my teacher view. You click on it, and there you go. You should be able to open that up. And there is your 11th grade prompt. You have two options on this prompt. Number one, you can be writing a journal prompt, essentially on COVID. Okay, anything, read through this, what has changed in your day-to-day life since COVID-19 became a thing. And you will support your response in a well-organized essay, and there's a link right here to help you out. Number two, your option would be to choose one of these pieces of literature, A Complexion by Richard Rodriguez or Two Kinds by Amy Tan, and respond to this question. If you were in class with me on Friday, we did speak. We read a lot of the story Complexion and talked a little bit about this. I will send out that Class Connect recording if you would like it. So please email me with any questions. Otherwise, good luck on this, guys. Just do your best. Don't let it stress you out. And I am here for any questions. I will be in sessions at 8 a.m. today, Monday the 27th, tomorrow, Tuesday the 28th, the next day, Wednesday the 29th, and then lastly, Thursday the 30th. So please come to a session or contact me if you have questions. When you are done, you will submit right back into that Dropbox that you open this as, okay? This is worth a total of 50 points. It is the written portion of your final, and so I'm just going to show you that student view of that Dropbox. And please just submit when you are done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Best of luck. Bye-bye.